All of our Spitwater industrial range of pressure cleaners are designed to be used in the most harsh and demanding conditions, which we have plenty of them in Australia. This is part of our industrial range of pressure cleaners at Spitwater. This is our Spitwater HP110 machine. If you're looking for a machine that gives you rugged reliability and simplicity, whether you're washing one truck or right through to smaller fleets of possibly even 10 trucks per day, this is the machine for you. What makes this machine so practical for use in these industrial areas are a couple of its features, and some of its features include our bypass cooling tank. This bypass cooling tank allows for the water to recirculate back through the tank whilst your hand is not pulled on the trigger. Therefore keeps the water cooler, keeps the pump cooler, and leads to a much longer pump life. That pump is also a low speed pump, which is another feature in a hard working wash bay, where the pump will run at half the speed, therefore effectively, in theory, lasting twice as long. This machine also comes with our standard chemical injection system, which can be activated by the lance, pulling it to low pressure. That will cause the injector to draw in soap and apply soap to the vehicle at low pressure. Machine comes standard with 10 meters of dual wire braided hose, which is our forever hose, and is definitely one of the toughest hoses on the market. This hose then connects to our industrial grade Italian made gun and lance assembly with our multi-reg attachment at the ends. The multi-reg attachment, apart from changing between low pressure and high pressure for chemical draw or back to our cleaning task, also varies its fan pattern from a 0 degree pencil jet right through to a 40 degree fan pattern when you want to be a little bit more gentle in that job you're doing. The lance comes standard with an M22 connection, which quickly and easily allows for a toolless connection to fit such things as foaming bottles, turbo heads, or any other accessories you might want to use to really make use of this pressure cleaner and optimize its performance. This is our Spitwater HP251A. If you're looking for something that is versatile, reliable, and also gives you the portability of being able to take it anywhere and use it anywhere, then this machine is perfect for you. It's impressive. 15 litres per minute of water flow will allow you to get through jobs very efficiently, as well as having the grunt of 3,650 PSI or 250 bar. This pressure will allow you to get through some of the heaviest baked on mud and grime from in trucks or earth moving equipment, as well as still being gentle enough to use in your regular washing. This machine here comes with our Honda GX390 engine, and this variant is our manual start version and also comes in an electric start version from Honda. As part of our industrial range, we have our bypass cooling tank. The benefit of this bypass cooling tank is you can leave the system in bypass, which is when you don't have your hand on the trigger for extended periods of time, and you won't risk overheating the pump, as that water will circulate back through the bypass cooling system, keeping the water cooler and keeping the pump cooler. Another thing that helps keep this pump cooler for longevity is the low speed revving nature of this pump. It only spins at 1450 RPM. Basically should last twice as long as something that's traditionally spinning at twice the speed. Many machines on the market have a direct drive system, and therefore you'll get a lot of heat transfer through the engine through to the pump. Another way around this is actually to use a gearbox, but on this machine we actually use our unique belt drive system. This belt drive system allows for less heat transfer, as we've spoken about, and allows for more power with less load. So therefore the engine will run more fuel efficient, and you'll be able to get maximum power with flow and pressure out of the pump. The belt drive system is also much less maintenance compared to when we're using a gearbox, and much more reliable than using a direct drive system. The machine comes standard with our Italian industrial dual lance and 10 meters of dual wire braided hose. This lance has a handle which you can turn clockwise and anti-clockwise to activate the low pressure or the high pressure side of the nozzle. The low pressure side of the nozzle will cause the chemical injector to activate, pour chemical into the line, and allow you to apply soap to your vehicle or whatever application you're using it for. When you go back to your high pressure, you can go back to your standard cleaning tasks. The features of this machine all come together to make this machine perfect for farms, agricultural areas, workshops where you might want to be cleaning the floor, as well as trucks, as well as doing some degreasing. Absolutely brilliant machine, covers so many bases. It's one of our most common sold machines because of its versatility and reliability. This is our Spitwater SW2021. This is our flagship machine when it comes to wash bays. It is a 3-phase electric hot water machine. If you're in the market for a machine where you want this to be in your wash bay and working literally all day long, this is the machine for you. Also, because of the hot water, comes to cutting through grease and grime, this machine has absolutely no dramas doing the job. Some of the features of this machine, which are standard as part of our industrial range of pressure cleaners, is our bypass cooling tank, which allows for that machine and the pump to run cool whilst your hand is not being used on the trigger. Another feature of this machine, because it's commonly used in wash bays where you might have multiple users, is a bypass timer. So after a factory set 5-minute period of time, which can be adjusted, the machine will actually cut out, which limits the risk of this machine running overnight when left. So that's another safety feature, which makes it perfect for a busy wash bay. We have on this one our hot water unit, so therefore the water coming out is heated instantaneously by our coil, which comes in a mild steel version and a stainless steel version. Low speed pump, once again, which effectively gives us twice the life out of the pump. Very simple controls at the front with our on-off for our machine and our pump and our water, and also our on-off for our burner. There's a thermostat to adjust the temperature, or this machine can run as a cold water. You don't have to have the burner running when you're using this machine. It comes with a 10-litre chemical tank on board, so that once again we can use our low pressure activated handle, which will start to draw the chemical into the system and allow us to apply that low pressure soapy water to the surface. This, once again, is also very commonly fitted up where we'll put high-speed injection systems and foaming systems to really start to get the efficiencies out of this machine and make your wash bay as productive as possible. The machine comes standard with our low pressure chemical injection system, which is activated by turning this handle to the low pressure side of the lance. The lance that it comes with is an Italian-made industrial lance, and also comes with 10 meters of industrial dual wire braided hose. So if you're in the market for a machine that is going to do any task you throw at it, our SW2021 hot water 21 litre per minute, 200 bar, close enough to 3000 PSI machine is perfect for any application in our heavy vehicle and transport industry. When you're operating a business and you're relying on this pressure cleaner for your income, whether that be getting through fleets faster because of our higher flow pressure cleaner, or just that reliability, getting servicing done, getting back on the road, Spitwater is a great partner to partner with your business. It's not just about the initial cost of the machine. We partnered with you for many years to come to make sure that you can use that machine to get your return on investment. Hard jobs made easy with Spitwater.